everyone, I am Yuho. I came here from Japan. I'm a gel nail artist and a licensed nail technician and esthetician living in Los Angeles. Today I'd like to share how to use and a review of this DIY nail extension gel. I have seen them on Instagram and SNS advertisement a lot lately, and since it's quarantine, those could be really useful if you could do it by yourself to make your nail longer by yourself. Basically, this is the gel, and then you put those gel on a clear nail tip and attach to your nails and cure and take them off, and instantly you can have the long nail. Of course, you have to like file it and shape and stuff, but seems really easy, so I'd like to try and show you how to do that. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Okay, so let's get started. watching and hope you liked the video. Actually, I pretty liked it. It's easy to use and I just want to know how long it's gonna last. So let's see and then I'll let you know. Hope it's gonna last for a while. Okay, so have a great one and see you in the next video. Take care, bye.